Good morning to all. Now I am talk about the effect of pathogen on physiological functions, effect of plants, photosynthesis, transpiration, respiration, translocation of water and nutrients. So plant physiology. Plant physiology is a science that deals with the life process of plants or deals with the functions of cells, tissues, organs on plant as whole. Plant disease is the outcome of interaction between the host and the pathogen. Effects of pathogens on physiological effects and its functions. Photosynthesis, respiration, translocation of water and nutrients, transpiration, permeability of cell membrane, transcription and translation. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the basic function of the green plants. It transforms light energy into chemical energy, which is utilized under all cell activities. Any interference of pathogen with photosynthesis result in the plant diseased condition. Effect on photosynthesis. In leaf spots, blight and other disease in which there is destruction. In cereals, dust and fungal leaf spots, bacterial leaf spots are in defoliations photosynthesis process. Chlorosis, necrosis and reduced growth and yield. Chlorophyll degeneration. Reduced amount of photosynthesis surface. Stomata remain partially closed. Respiration. Respiration is the process by which the cells, through enzymatic oxidation of organic materials, energy rich in carbohydrates and fatty acids, produce energy and its various activities carbon keratins. In plants, process of respiration takes place in two major steps: glycolysis cycle and the terminal phase. Respiration in diseased plant. Infected plants shows increased respiration rate and slight rise in temperature. Increase in plant metabolism and protoplasmic streaming. After tissue use up and the receive carbohydrates are faster the health of the plants. Effect of uptake of translocation of water and nutrients. Xylem. Water and minerals absorbed by roots. Translocate through the stem xylem to the vascular band of the petioles and the leaf veins enter into the leaf cells. Results in water tension in the xylem. Pulls the water column upward. Stimulates additional uptake. Phloem. Carbohydrates produced in leaf cells moving through the plasmodesmata into adjoining phloem elements. Move down phloem sieve tubes. Nutrients are removed from circulation. Move into non-photosynthetic cells or into storage organs. How can pathogen impair translocation in phloem? Pathogen attacks and destroys phloem elements, interfering with the translocation of nutrients. Some virus inhibit enzymes that break down the starch into smaller and tiny molecules. Obligate fungal parasites, example rust and mildew. Respiration takes place, photosynthesis decreases. Transpiration. Transpiration is the process of water movement through the plant and its evaporation, aerial parts, leaves, stems and flowers. Effect of pathogens on transpiration. Disintegration of cuticle, increased transpiration, dysfunction in permeability of leaf cells, collapse of vessels and formation of tylosous. Effect of pathogen on cell permeability of plants. Cell membrane. Double layer of lipid molecules. Protein molecules embedded. Inhibit out of the cell. Cell wall keeps large molecules away from the membrane. Effect on cell membrane. If direct attack, pathogen probably used one of the following strategies. Stimulate membrane bound enzymes that pump H plus in K plus out. Degrade the lipid or protein components of membrane. Transcription. Copying code of DNA onto messenger RNA. Translation. Use of messenger RNA as a template produced protein. Effect on transcription. Higher levels of RNA in infected plants, especially resistant ones, probably due to increased synthesis of substance involved in the defense mechanism. Conclusion. Human and animal survival depend on the plant growth. Conclusion. Human and animal survey depend upon the plant growth. Agriculture, the world's biggest business, is based on the ability of the plants and converted simple raw material to complex substance in order to survive the needs. A pathogen affects plants by inducing changes in the physiological functions, leads to different types of symptoms and disease. So directly or indirectly affects our crop economy. Thank you.